Good morning, I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Tuesday, July 13th, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading higher Tuesday following a positive earnings report from Alcoa, which helped to boost sentiment over the earnings season. Economic reports due out include trade balance data and a new lending survey from the Federal Reserve. In corporate news, Alcoa kicked off earnings season by reporting $136 million profit and a 22% increase in revenue. CSX reported a 36% profit rise. Taking a look at market futures this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures trading 63 points above fair value. The S&P 500 futures are trading almost 9 points above fair value, and the Nasdaq Composite trading 15.5 points above fair value. Now for more on the markets, I'm going to turn it to Andy Zamfotis. Andy, what's going on today?
Morning, Christy. Well, futures are stronger this morning thanks to Alcoa and CSX, which posted better than expected results yesterday. Alcoa is up about 4% pre-market. Also, European markets are stronger. They're all up about 1.5%. Greece had a very successful auction yesterday of about 1.6 billion euro in sovereign debt. And that was done at a rate that was below what the EU charged them in their bailout package. So what we're seeing is kind of a shift from the extreme pervasive negativity that we were in a few weeks ago to a bit more of an optimistic tone that maybe things aren't that bad. And we're going to need that to see if we can push equities a little bit higher for a little bit longer. Intel, another big important report that's due out after the close. Analysts are expecting 43 cents a share on about 10.3 billion in sales. That's up significantly from the 7-cent loss and 8 billion in sales from a year ago. And I think it's about flat from the first quarter of this year sequentially. And really these year-over-year comparisons should be pretty favorable for most of these companies given the very depressed levels from last year in the second quarter. And whether or not that can continue as we move out into the third and fourth quarter remains to be seen, and will in some part be determined by whether or not the government can help push private sector job growth, which will ultimately create more end-user demand. Right now where the Dow is, we're seeing some resistance maybe at 10,400. That's the most recent high. And whether or not we can push up back towards that level and beyond that is really going to depend on the outlooks for a lot of these companies. So this is going to be an important week.
All right, thanks so much, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. Also check our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.